Okay, family, I hope you guys are ready for this. Basically, I'm just gonna get right to the point. I came across a site, guys. I came across a site that very few resellers know about, and how I know this is because on a few of the products that I even checked up on Amazon under the listings, there were like 1 to 2 sellers, maybe 3 and 4 on other listings, and that is insane. So if they are finding these products, it's not from this site. Now, what makes this so amazing is all these companies know that Amazon is gonna be the most powerful beast right now this season. So what these companies are doing to get you guys to buy from their sites, they're doing crazy discounts, like 75% off discounts. Guys, I found one product, like you can go to my Instagram right now to check it out, that was selling for $30 on Amazon, but on this site it was selling for $20 regularly, and now it's selling for $7, guys. I bought about 20 of them. I'm making about 15 bucks, 14 bucks profit. I put a little bit of cushion, so I always say that the cost of purchase is more than what I actually paid for. So it says like 14 something, but really it's close to 15. So anyways, guys, I'm making a buku amount of money, and you don't have to worry about any like errors with these products because they're coming directly from the people who create them, right? So the chances for returns are little to none, like literally none. You shouldn't get any returns with these products because they're gonna be brand spanking new. All right, guys, so that's another thing. Yeah, and like I said, not too many people know about this site. For one of the reasons is because the way I ran into this site, the way I found it. I don't think many people are gonna find it the way I found it, and I will tell you guys that after the fact. I'll tell you guys how I found it later. Because that'll kind of, it might spoil it. But so, all right, now here's the thing, guys. This is what I'm going to do. This is and because like literally you guys will be taking food directly from my mouth. I can keep all this information to myself and just get rich myself and just and literally just make the money, just rake it in and don't say anything to anybody. But I thought this would be cool content for the YouTube, and I thought this would be amazing content for my family. So this is why I'm giving it to you guys. Now, there's something you have to do to get it though. There's something you have to do. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm charging $2 for the information. Now the only risk to this is, one, you may or may not know what this site is already. I highly doubt it because the way I found it, I highly doubt you know what this site is. But you could. There's a chance that you know about this site. But once again, I highly doubt it because I only seen 2 sellers on one of the products that is one of the best products. And number 2 risk you're taking is you may have some restrictions on some of the products on the site. Now, the ones that I'm able to sell, I didn't go to Amazon to get unrestricted for anything. So I'm just assuming that you guys are ungated in these products as well, but that's the risk you guys are willing to take if you're willing to take it. Now, I'm charging $2 for this site for another reason, is because my daughter has 2 teeth now. And so I just came to the conclusion, I was like, okay, I'm gonna charge $2 to give this site out because, like I said, you guys are taking food out of my mouth and my child's mouth and my wife's mouth. That money that I can just keep all to myself, information I can just keep to myself, but I'm going to give it out for $2. Now, another reason why I'm charging $2 is because I don't want to just give this information out for free and have a bunch of people just flooding the site, because like I said, there's little to no sellers on there, which it's so hard to believe, guys. So what I'm going to do, if you want access to this site, if you want to know what the site is that I'm talking about, send me an email to varvarreviews@gmail.com and I will send you a PayPal link for $2. Once you pay the $2, in the description write Happy Holidays and your email, and I will send you the site. That's all you have to do, guys. If you want to take the risk, it's totally up to you. Once again, go to my Instagram to see the latest posts I just post. Everything will be down below for this video, my email, my Instagram, just so you can see one of the products I'm talking about. That's just one of them. And right now, the deal is still on until Monday. You can make money with this even after Monday, but I'm just doing this right now, one time. And the only reason why I'm charging, because you guys are going to be taking food directly from my mouth. I can keep all this money to myself, but I'm willing to share it. So I'm charging $2 for that so that I can continue to work on what I'm working on. And at the same time, if you guys take all the food out of my mouth you want to, at least you guys help me to help you. Quick note, if you do contact me for the site, when you do order from the site, do not lower the price, family. I'm telling you, the way Amazon works is, if you are doing fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, which everybody is doing, then there's no need to lower the price, because what happens is Amazon just takes turns as long as everybody has the same buy box price. A lot of these products that I checked, they're selling hundreds of times a month. Some of them are selling like crazy amounts per day. So that means if we all keep the same price, it'll just swap between sellers. So that means it'll be like, maybe yours will sell first, then mine will sell the second sale that day, then somebody else is the third that day, then somebody else is the fourth that day, then it'll just keep repeating and repeating and repeating. And as long as there's not a zillion sellers on it, which there wasn't when I checked it, which is why I'm charging $2, then we should be good. So don't lower the price, guys, alright? Yeah, that's just a quick tip. And you want to jump on this fast, because the deals that I'm finding right now are Black Friday deals, which last until Monday. It is Saturday right now, depending on when you see this. And you can, like I said, you can still make money with this site after the Black Friday deal. Like I said, there'll be things that are like 60%, 50% ROI, 60% ROI, 30% ROI after Black Friday sale. But right now, there's things for over 100% ROI. So jump on this fast, guys. Crush it. Link down below to my email. If you want that, just email me saying you want the site, and I will definitely send you my PayPal information, $2, and I will send you the link to the site. Remember to write in the description, happy holidays, and your email. It's peace and love. I'm out.